Hi, I'm Ann Therese, and I'm here in Whitehouse ISD at Stanton-Smith Elementary, visiting my friend Jody Acker, who is the computer lab teacher. I'm so excited because we are here to check out Neptune Navigate in action. Come on.
What they're going to learn today is that nothing is ever erased. When they think they delete something on the internet and they click delete, that it's not deleted permanently. I think the whole program is good because kids starting as they're little that can touch a phone are always on a phone. So I think the learning process as they get older is very good for them to be able to recognize everything in the digital world, what's good, what's bad, what you share, what you shouldn't share. Cyberbullying I like, I know that's October in their month, that if people are mean to get off and get back from them. This month with it being digital footprint, that nothing is deleted. Even though they delete it and they think it's gone forever, it's not gone forever. My favorite is no social media till they're 13. We're in elementary school, so none of them technically should have it, which means they've lied about their age to get it. 5th grade. Question is, raise your hand, how many of you have social media? Whether it's YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. If you're talking on Roblox, are you messaging on Roblox?
I think this is exactly why we do Neptune Navigate.
When I was growing up, you didn't have all the social media. You didn't have to worry about being out somewhere and somebody taking a picture of you and posting it on any website. Where now these kids need to realize that it doesn't matter where you're at or what you're doing, that somebody can always have a picture of you. So that's what I try to tell them as you apply for college or do anything, you want to make sure that you always have positive and not negative out there for you.
That's right, such great advice. Thanks so much for having us today, Jody. It's been a great time.
It has been so much fun. I've enjoyed having y'all, and I think the kids have enjoyed it.